welcome back to episode 4 of the wall climbing series thing. So I'm gonna try to do the whole intro while holding this, and it's getting kind of heavy. So anyways, last thing, we climbed some stuff. Today we're gonna destroy stuff. I have 2 TVs we're gonna break, and yeah, also I'm breaking a ton of stuff. I think I said that already, but let's get right into the video. One of these balloons has all brown dynamite's YouTube revenue in here. Pick which one do you want. If you pick the right balloon, you can keep all the revenue. Pick one.
Alright, I pick this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if this has all the revenue. Does that have any revenue?
I don't think it does.
Pick a second balloon.
Oh, okay.
Which one?
Pick that one.
This one?
Yeah.
The one that looks like it has a bit of revenue in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Might be the right answer, who knows?
I think I chose correctly this time.
Alright, let's see if this one's gonna have the revenue.
Are you okay?
Oh, look! The revenue!
The revenue.
That's all yours, Nick.
Yes! There's more money than I've ever made, even my job.
These might have revenue. Do you think they do?
I doubt it, but let's try it. Do that one.
This one?
Yeah.
That one.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Maybe the big one.
Yeah, the big one I think
You know what
has
they
some.
say, the bigger the better.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh! Ow! I don't think there's any revenue.
You positive?
I'm positive you won the YouTube revenue challenge.
Thank you, Nathan.
3 cents. Go buy yourself a new gaming chair.
I will.
As me and Nick began biking home, we started hearing scary noises coming from in the woods, so we decided to stop and investigate.
So we just got to
The
Joey's
woods.
backyard, and now I don't know. I think he's watching something explicit on his TV, so we're gonna try to sneak him. That's
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I didn't think about the mess that this thing would make. Guess we have to clean it all up now.
Yep.
So, let's spend an hour cleaning this thing up, I guess.
Yeah.
So that's going to wrap up today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe and enjoy this ASMR for the rest of the intro. Oh yeah, also, this video was kind of difficult and physically laboring, if that's the right phrase to make, because we ended up spending like 3 hours moving the TVs and then 3 hours cleaning up the glass and stuff, because that's not hard to clean up. But anyways, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the ASMR.